Hello, I am Jason. Today we will learn how to create bubble navigation. Bubble navigation is a type of navigation design pattern that uses circular or bubble-shaped icons or buttons to represent different sections or pages of a website or application. Bubble navigation is lively and interesting, making it easy to gain user favor. Next, let's learn how to create a bubble navigation. First, set up the widgets. We need a navigation bar, 5 tabs, and a bubble. First, drag in a rectangle to create a navigation bar. Then drag in a rectangle to make a tab. Set its style. And enter Home. Copy 4 identical tabs and change their text. Change the fill color of the navigation bar to dark gray. Then drag in a rectangle of the same size to create a bubble and change it to a semi-transparent white color. Adjust the radius of the left and right tabs. Then we add mouse enter interaction to tabs. First name the bubble. Then select tab and add mouse enter interaction. Move this bubble to this .x. Add 200 milliseconds of linear animation. Then duplicate the interactions to other tabs. Preview the prototype. When we move the mouse into the tab, the bubble also follows.